Yes, so if you're new here, my name is Kevin, and of course in this video, as the title suggests, I want to show you how you can make money in under 5 minutes, and of course withdraw directly to your M-PESA. Now let me ask you this question: is it really possible to make money whatever amount you want in under 5 minutes? Well, I guess it's possible. Of course, you can just go and get a job, and of course get a job that pays you per hour. But what I have now is one simple strategy that you can use to make any amount you want in less than 5 minutes. And I should warn you, if you're not open to trading, this is not the video for you. But if you want to exploit, of course, I want to teach you how you can do that. Now, the platform I'll be using is none other than Olymp Trade. So if you know me, I talk a lot about this platform because I've been using it for some time now. I think it's 2+ years now, and of course I've had successes and of course ups and downs in here, but it's a platform that I'm willing to put my money in. There's this strategy that I realized it's really easy and anyone can use. Of course, you can use it. For me now, I'm using it under my live account. I'm using real money here, but you can also use it under the demo account. So we'll talk about what that is. Now, before we get into the video, I would really it's not my place actually to tell you to subscribe, but of course if you find value from what we talk about and if you want to learn more of what you're seeing, I'd really encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and thank you so much if you're returning, and of course you've been here, you've helped me, you've worked with me, because I talk a lot with some guys, a lot of you guys through WhatsApp. And of course if you want to talk to me in WhatsApp, I'll leave my contacts in the description. And guys tell me, oh, I've watched a lot of your videos and of course I want to learn more about this, and then we start strategizing on how you can get that happen. And of course I like to build that community. I like to get close to you guys. I like to hear what you think of what I do. So anywho, now back to the video. So recently I published this article, how to earn money online in Kenya to your M-PESA in 5 minutes. And inside it, I lay out exactly what I'm going to teach you here. Of course, I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you'd rather read, if you'd rather read than watch, there are different types of people. Kuna wale watu wanapenda sana kuwatch, then kuna mwingine anaweza ielewa akisoma. So if you're into reading, I'll leave a link in the description to this article. It's exactly what I talk about in this video, but in a written form. The platform that we'll be using to show you how to make money online, or how to earn money online in Kenya and withdraw to your M-PESA in 5 minutes, is Olymp Trade. So what is Olymp Trade? So Olymp Trade, from its name you can learn, it's a trading platform. Yeah, it's a trading platform that allows you to trade a lot of assets. So what assets can you trade on the platform? We have currencies, stocks, metals, indices, commodities, crypto, ETF, OTC, and composite. So these are the assets that you can trade inside the platform. Now, why would you choose this? So the first thing is, this platform is available in 130+ countries. And of course, they support up to 13 languages. Yeah, so which means you can trade wherever you are in the world. So if you're in Kenya, you can trade. If you're wherever, And then, of course, they have over 88 million traders who carry out like 30 million USD monthly transactions. Yes. Now, the beauty of it is you can trade with whatever method you want. Yeah, there are no limits and no commission. So they don't take commission. And as you can see here, there are very many methods of depositing. If you want to trade crypto, you can use your Binance Pay. And of course, if you're in Kenya, you can use your M-PESA. And if you don't want to use your M-PESA, just use your card. Yeah, this can either be your ATM, your credit card, and all that things. Yeah. Now, to join this platform, it's really easy. Just come here to registration, and then just type your email and choose your password, and then click register. From there, simple things. Now, where you will go from here is will look like this. So let me log in. So once you've created an account, when you first log in, this is what you will see. This is what you call the area chart. Yeah, so let me walk you around just really quick. Up here you will see this is the asset that you are looking at currently, and this little number here, 80%, is what you call the profitability, which means when you trade this and you're correct, you get 80% profit of what you invested. Now on your left we have trades, market, events, and help. Now the most important one here is the trades. Yeah, so if you want to follow some trades that you are currently, that you've opened, or you want to view your history, just go to trades. Market, if you want to buy some things, for example some indicators, some strategies, you can buy here. Events, so these are current events that Olymp Trade are running. Then we have help. So this is the most important part. Help is actually a place where you can find video lessons, tutorials, and you can ask questions and of course find answers. Yeah, so if you have any problem, you can use this section known as help. Now moving ahead here, we have account here. So this is where you can switch your account. So there are 3 types of accounts. There is the demo account, USD account, and USDT account. So this one is demo account. This one is the one that you can use to practice a lot. Yeah, if you don't want to spend your money, you get free 10,000 demo units. So these are money that you can't withdraw it actually, but you can use it to practice your strategies. The other one is the USD account. So these are real money. When you deposit money here, I'll show you later on how to do that. When you deposit money, it comes here, and this is where you can trade and make, and what you earn under the USD account you can withdraw. And then we have the USDT account. So this is the crypto account. So if you'd rather use your crypto deposits to trade on Olymp Trade, you will deposit directly to this account. Yeah, so for now we'll be using my demo account, and then later on, if we get a chance, I can use my live account to show you how to trade with real money. Of course, it's the same. Now to this section here, we have the amount, duration, up, down. The amount is how much you want to invest in a trade. So this is $1. If you want to invest $100, just type the number. We have the duration. This is how long you want this trade to last. So FTT. So if you're trading fixed time trades, trading, it means after a specific certain time, where do you see this market going? So for example, if we look at what's going on here now, I can predict, okay, in the next 1 minute, this thing will be up. Yeah, and then I invest, say 1. So let's do that practically. Then you say, okay, it will be up, and then you click up. So it will open a position for 1 demo unit on $1. And if you are correct, after 1 minute, you make 80%, which is what we talked about here, profitability. Yeah? And if you are wrong, you only lose what you invested. Yeah, and looks like we are going to lose that. So if you go here, we can follow that trade. As you can see here, it's losing, and we have only that 6 seconds. Yeah, so that's basically it. So if you want to say, okay, it's going to be up, click up. If it's going to be down, click down. Now the most important part of this, if you want to make money online and withdraw it to your M-PESA, is this section here. This one is for signals. So if you want to activate some signals that notify you when it's time to buy and when it's time to sell, use this section. Then we have these chart types. So there are 4 types of charts that you can view on Olymp Trade. We have area chart, what we are looking at now, and we have Japanese candlesticks. That's what I like. Yeah, so if you would rather view that, you can use that here. Then we have Aikenishi and bars. Yeah, so you can choose any. Then we have technical analysis. So this is the section that you can use to analyze the chart, see what's going on. As you can see, there are a lot of indicators here. There are a lot of oscillators, sentiment, drawing, strategies, and advisors. Yeah, sorry. And if you would rather look at compare, 2 markets or 2 charts, you can use this section here. And as you can see, it opens up another one down here. Yeah. And for now, I just want to keep 1. You see, when you are trading on Olymp Trade, you need the right time. You need to know when is to buy and when is to sell. The easier way to do that is to analyze the market. Okay, what's going on here? As you can see, this was a downtrend, then some recovery, and then it's like consolidating here. As you can see here, it's consolidating, and then maybe it will go up or maybe it will go down. But how do you know? So the easier way is to use strategies. That's the beauty of Olymp Trade. They give you access to some free strategies that you can activate, and they tell you when to buy and when to sell. Now, if you want, these strategies are not 100%. You can lose money and you can make money, but nonetheless, you can use them to inform your trading strategies of your own. So to activate these strategies, just come here to technical analysis, scroll down here to strategies, and there are a lot of strategies, as you can see, these ones. So these are available for starter accounts. So there are 3 types of accounts on Olymp Trade. There's the starter, there's advanced, and then expert. Now, as you trade a lot and you gain experience, you move up these these accounts, or these types of accounts, and as you move up, you unlock a lot of strategies here. So these green ones are only available for advanced, and as you can see, mine is starter because this is a demo account. I only have access to these strategies. And then we have the yellow ones are available for experts account. And you can use that. Now, if you look at, for example, there is the FTT one, and then there is FX. So this chasing the trend is only applicable. This strategy can only work for forex if you're trading forex under Olymp Trade, and FTT means you can use it only on trading fixed time trades. Now, the strategy that I want to teach you is this one, sliding on averages. So just we click on it to activate it. And then there is the video here that you can use or you can watch, and it explains how the strategy works. But of course, I will show you how it works in this video. Now, this strategy uses 2 indicators of the same kind. We have the SMA, I think 4, and SMA 60. So you can read on it online on what an SMA is and how it works. Now, to enable the strategy, just click enable, and as you can see, it will be added into the time. Into the chart. Now let's close that, and then as you can see, now my chart has some activity here. Yes, and as you can see, this is an uptrend actually. Just a quick one. Now what happens is this, how this works. When the yellow line crosses the blue one from down going up, it's a buy. If you see here, there's a buy signal. That's when you buy. When it crosses when the yellow one crosses the blue from up going down, it's a sell signal like this one. So if you had sold here, you would have made money down here. And if you had bought here, you would have made money here. So that's the general rule of the strategy. As you can see now, this one is actually crossing from up going down, so that's a sell signal. So I don't know if I should I open it. Now let me do it quick because this one needs it needs you to act quickly. I'm going to put 10 minutes and I'll explain why later, and then get ready to invest around let's invest because we are under the demo account, let's invest 100 just like that, or I'll use my live account. Let me use my live account actually. I'll invest 47, so I'll invest $47. So that's a real money. Then I'll wait for it to close, and then actually it's already past that, so I don't know. Let me open it now. Down here we have this. So this shows you the chart that you're looking at, the candle, how long it takes to form. So I'm looking at 5 minutes, which means it takes 5 minutes for this one candle to form. Now for this strategy to work, it means that the trade duration, or how long this trade will last, should be 2 times what I'm looking at, the time frame I'm looking at. So since I'm looking at 5 minutes, the trade duration should be 10 minutes. That explains why I put here 10 minutes. So if I was looking at say 2 minutes, it should be 2x that. So it would be 2 times 2, which is 4. So my trade duration could be 4. If I'm looking at 1 minute, it should be 2 times that. So that's 1 times 2, that's 2 minutes. So it's about to close, and I'll open a down trade because that's what the signal is telling me, and boom. So I've opened a down trade, live on this account, and I've invested my money $47. Of course, if you want to see how this works, how this turned out, of course, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Now, I think I've explained everything. So maybe to recap, the reason why I've opened a down trade is because according to this sliding on averages strategy, whenever the 4 SMA crosses the 60 SMA from up going down, that's a sell signal, and whenever it crosses from down going up, that's a buy signal. Yeah, so this thing is not always correct. Yeah, it's not always correct. As you can see, let me look for when it was false. Yes, like this section here, as you can see, it crossed actually here, but it didn't cross like a lot, so it gave you a false buy signal, and if you had bought here, you would have lost. So that's a good sign that this thing is not 100% accurate. You need to use it alongside other signals. So for example, what can I do here? What can you use to make this thing accurate? You can use what you call the support and resistance. Price appears to be bouncing back, so it goes up and then it bounces back more often. Like here, looks like resistance here, and then of course we have support is where the price looks like it bounces up. Now if you look at this one, so to draw that, you can use the drawing. So let's use a trend line. So if we look at let me cross this. So if you look at this one here, that's a support line. Yeah, I don't know if I should change. Is it visible? So let me change the color so that it's visible. Yeah, so that's a trend line. So this is a trend going up. Yeah, it means that it appears that every time the price approaches this trend or this section here, it bounces back up. Yeah, just like that. So this can be your support. The resistance is the opposite of that. Yeah, we need another one. We need another one. So let me look for another trend line. There you go. So this appears to be your support. Yeah, so for it to qualify as either resistance or support, it has to be at least three touch points. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, if there are only 2, it's not really confirmed. So for it to be valid, it has to be more than 3 touch points. That's what I always do. As you can see, this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a trend line. So for me, what this tells me is that every time the price approaches this line, I expect it to bounce back. So that's it, guys. That's the strategy. If you want to try it, there's a link in the description. Go open a demo account, go to your demo account, and then start practicing this strategy and see how it goes. Of course, if you have any other questions around this, let me know in the comments below. And of course, also, if you want to know how this turned out, I'll leave a link. I'll post the results on my TikTok account. Of course, go there, follow me, and you'll find the results there. So guys, thank you again, and of course, make sure you're subscribed. Bye.